ayikho into ebaluleke njengokuthi just be aware qha ukuthi emzimbeni wami khona into ephezulu ehlezi iphezulu kokuthi uklineke igazi lami. Igazi lamuntu ali-clean lo. Every moment, every minute, should every 60 seconds. Izinto siyazi, I think sonke mhlambe sike sizwe ukuthi izinto sihlala la emuva ngala lapha. Zihlala lapho and it's a deliberate I think it's like a design. Zihlala lapho. Number one, ukuthi ziyakwazi ukuthi zihleli la zisondele la kuhamba imithambo or the great vessels ezegazi. There are water, the IVC and other blood vessels. Izinto ziyakwazi ukuthi zisondele, ziyakwazi ukuthatha igazi elilingana mhlambe sithi about 1/4 or 25% of your whole blood volume. Yakwazi ukuthi i-clean within 1 minute uma ziphila kahle. So leyo nto ebaluleke kakhulu ngoba njengoba uhlele lana nimile nana sihlele engathi hayi akwenzeki lutho. Izinto zakho are very busy. Every minute, a quarter of your blood volume is being cleaned. Kanjalo ke kusho ukuthi umuntu uma ungafocusa kwizinto ezimbalwa. We are talking about healthy people. Asikhulume ngokudla. Angisabala ke ukuthi umuntu ake siyeke especially abantu besilisa siyeke nokuhlukumezana. Mawulokho ushayana ingapheli lokho kuthinta izinto eziphila kahle ngendlela ethize. Asikhulumeke ukuthi udla kanjani. Number one, awujwayele ukuthi musu jwayele ukuphuza amanzi ngoba uwomile. Phuza amanzi noma ungawomile. Mawuphuza amanzi ngoba usozwa ukuthi uwomile, which means it means you are late. Ngethi uma uphuza amanzi ngoba usozwa ukuthi ayisegomile ulimi lwami selinamathela phezulu, that means you are late. You have taken too long. Fanele ukuthi asithi over mhlambe sithi la the whole day awuzame ukuthi at least 5 to 6, 7, even 8 glasses of water. Uphuze nje ungaqondi ukuthi hayi ngizolinda ukuthi ngiyomile. Cha. Ukuthi izinto ziclean kushintshisana emchameni. Ukuthi umchamo manje sekugcwele izinto ezingadala lento ekuthiwa ama kidney stones.